Hey everybody, number 295 is ready to go. This is a little pistachio and walnut mini 5-string tuned to open C tuning. Had a lot of fun with the fretboard and head plate on this one. Pistachio fretboard and head plate. Some nice straight grain walnut, Oregon walnut. Block rim, pistachio heel cap, and rim cap. Yeah, this one feels good. The walnut is from the Carpenter Ant Stash in Portland, and this particular board was like just under an inch thick. So that's the right thickness to make the block rim segments, but if I'm going to make a neck out of it, it has to be a 5-piece neck. So there's 3 pieces of walnut and 2 of pistachio in this guy. 295, ready to go.